Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay February 22, 2026 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong February 22, 2026 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Sunday, February 22, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. the result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for February 22, 2026 Sunday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Sunday, February 22, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of February 22, 2026 Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.